Good morning, children. So today we will start with a new chapter, that is transportation in animals and plants. Children, as you people know that we require food for our survival and existence. It is very much necessary to get energy to do our daily activities. Then children, without food we cannot survive. So food which is digested in the stomach, which is digested in the small intestine, there are in the small intestine there are finger-like projections. Inside the small intestine we have finger-like hair growths in the small intestine, hair-like growth, which are going to convert the digested food into nutrients. So these nutrients is converted to blood. From an organ called villi, which are present in the inner walls of the small intestine. Children, so these villi, they are present in the inner walls of the small intestine. They are like very hair-like growths which we can see in the inner walls of the small intestine. Actually, children, these villi, they are going to convert the nutrients into blood. Nutrients into blood is being converted by villi. So, after the conversion of the blood, okay, children, blood consists of so many types of components. Actually, this blood, to tell you children, it contains first one. It contains RBC. RBC means red blood cells. RBC means red blood cells. Okay. Second one, it contains WBC. WBC means white blood cells. Third one, platelets. So, in the small intestine, after the food is being digested, after the digestion of the food in the small intestine, from that digested food, absorption of the food takes place. From that absorption, so it is being converted into nutrients from food. From the digested food, it is converted to, from digested food it is converted to nutrients. From nutrients it is converted to blood. So from nutrients to blood it is being converted by villi. These are the hair-like growths which are found in the inner walls of the small intestine. So blood, as I told you, so components of blood are RBC, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. RBC means, as the name indicates, that it is red in color. The cells are red in color. Because of a important component. Because of the important component, this red blood cells, children, I will write here RBC. One important component is there, is called as hemoglobin. A component which makes the cells red in color. which makes the cells red in color. That component is hemoglobin that makes the cells red in color. So we call, as the cells are red in color, we call it as a red blood cells. So very important, which is going to carry the oxygen to all the cells of our body. So RBC will provide oxygen to all the cells of our body. Then when I come to WBC, white blood cells, these are the cells which are the one which are going to provide us immunity, strength, force, strongness. Mainly we can call it as immunity and strength to our body, immunity to our cells. So these are the cells, white blood cells, which are going to fight against the diseases causing germs. They will fight against the diseases causing germs inside our body. So WBC will fight against the diseases causing germs inside our body, inside our cells. Platelets will help in the clotting of blood. If somebody has got, if blood is getting bleeding there, after some time you see within seconds the blood stops coming out from his body. The blood stops coming out from his body. How he will get stopped? How the blood will get stop coming from his body? Because inside the blood only such a components are there, children. Okay, so it will stop the outflow of blood from an injured person. It will stop the outflow of the blood from an injured person. So that work is being done by platelets. Then I should tell you, like how can our heart work? How can our heart work? So children, in this figure, our heart is there, human heart. So children, it contains four chambers. So top chambers are called as, these top chambers are called as atrium, or we can also call it as auricles. We can call it as auricles also, or atrium also. These are top chambers. Down chambers are called as ventricles. Okay, down chambers are called as ventricles. Top chambers are called as auricles or atrium. See children, you know that the arteries means children, these are like such a pipes which are going to carry out the good blood, means oxygen rich blood from the heart to all the parts of our body. What I need to tell you is pulmonary veins. So pulmonary means the pipes which are coming from lungs. That is meant as pulmonary. So veins are the one, children. So these veins, children, they get us. Children, they get us the blood. Children, they get us the blood. They get us the blood, children. So first it has to enter our left auricle. So children, what I need to tell, these veins, they get us the blood which is rich in oxygen. Proper ಈ veins ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, it will get the oxygen rich blood from the lungs. So it will from here, from this pulmonary vein, say it is going to enter the left auricle. From the left auricle here we have like two gates. We call it as valves. We call it as valves. So they will open and it will enter the left auricle. So this left auricle is now filled with oxygen rich blood. Oxygen rich in the blood. It comes and gets stored in the left ventricle. So these chambers actually inside the chambers muscles are such that children. So these muscles they are going to contract and relax. A strong force is there. This contraction, this relaxation, contraction, relaxation. So that makes to pump it out, and this oxygen rich blood it will again start flowing. It comes out here. It comes out here. It comes out and it goes out of the important pipe called as aorta. This aorta is the one which is going to supply oxygen rich blood to different parts of our body. That means it is going to go to the all the cells of our body. So this all the cells, children, so it will all the cells will get the oxygen rich blood. Yes. So when it reaches the cells, oxygen rich blood, when it reaches the cells, so cells ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ತಗೋತೈತಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆ ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ಸೆಲ್ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು it comes back to the heart through an important veins called as through important vessels called as this children. This we call it by the name like vena cava. So it is coming from the upper parts of our body. One more pipe is there, vena cava is coming from the lower parts of our body. So these when it enters children, whatever it is entering that is nothing but children impure blood. That is nothing but impure blood. Impure blood ಅಂದ್ರೆ it contains lot of carbon dioxide. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, it contains carbon dioxide rich blood. It will enter our heart through vena cava. So when it enters the first top part, this top part we call it as right auricle. From right auricle it is being pumped back. It is being pushed down to the right ventricle. Okay, to the right ventricle. So when it comes here it is nothing but called as carbon dioxide rich blood. Carbon dioxide rich blood ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, again carbon dioxide rich blood again. From here it is going to go out. It is going to go out here. When it is going to go out here, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ pulmonary arteries ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So through this pulmonary arteries it goes to lungs. ಯಾಕೆ lungs ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ because it goes to lungs to get the oxygen and to live. You know, in the lungs we have air sacs. What are these air sacs? These air sacs are nothing but like alveoli. Air sacs ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು alveoli ಅಂತ. So alveoli ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, it is containing oxygen. So this blood which is going out from my heart through pulmonary arteries, it goes to the lungs. There exchange of gases takes place. There it takes oxygen and gives back carbon dioxide to the alveoles. So that oxygen rich blood which is coming from the lungs, again it is going to enter the heart through an important pipe called as this pipes, pulmonary veins. Again it is going to enter the left ventricle in the left auricle in the left ventricle in the aorta. See, whenever it is entering the left part, left ventricle ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆರಿಕಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್, ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಬ್ಲಡ್, it is the pure blood which contains oxygen means oxygen rich blood which is coming from the lungs. So from there it can be pumped out through aorta to different parts of our body. So this continuous, children, whatever this chambers are contracting and relaxing, so this pumping process, children. So whenever the blood is going out through arteries होता सीधा lungs से होता to get oxygen. So in that arteries, when the blood is flowing out, we call it as like the pulse, nothing but as a pulse rate. Pulse rate means what? Pulse rate means what? It is nothing but the heartbeat rate. How many times the heart is going to beat under how many times the heart is going to beat? That is called as heartbeat, nothing but it is called as pulse rate. So children, this pulse rate is nothing but because of the contraction and relaxation of the chambers. Contraction and relaxations of the chambers. We have 4 chambers in our heart. So this contraction and relaxation of the chambers of the heart, we call it by the name like pulse rate. Pulse rate is nothing but called as the heartbeat. So our usual healthy human beings heartbeat. So per minute, in 1 minute, it is going to beat 72 to 80 times. So it is going to beat 72 to 80 times. Our heart is going to 72 to 80 times. Our heart is going to beat in 1 minute. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂತರ pulse rate. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂತರ pulse rate. So ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ from where it is going to enter. Oxygen rich blood, it is going to enter in our heart through 2 pipes. Nothing but there we have 2 pipes, pulmonary veins. So in the oxygen rich blood, it will enter this top part, left auricle. We have 2 gates. Gates will get open. It will enter the left ventricle. Like it is going to get compressed so that the blood is being pumped from here. Blood is being pumped through aorta to different parts of our body. Okay, from again different parts it is going to collect the blood which is rich in carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide rich blood energy is going to enter our heart through vena cava. So this vena cava is going to get entered through the top part of our heart, nothing but as the right auricle. Right auricle, it is going from right auricle, it is going to get pushed down to the right ventricle. So right ventricle is nothing but it is the chamber which is going to store carbon dioxide rich blood. So again here it is going to get compressed, contract. So the blood is pumped through a vessel so that it can reach the lungs through these 2 pipes called as pulmonary arteries. So when it reaches lungs, there it can get the oxygen from when it carries oxygen and comes back to heart. Again it will enter through this pulmonary veins. So some organisms like hydra, some microorganisms like hydra, like sponges and all, they don't have like these special circulatory systems and all. There is a direct diffusion of these gases and waste materials in the water because these hydra, sponges and all these microbes, when they are such a way living in the water, they get food and nutrients directly from the water only through a process. Through that it is directly going to enter through their cell membrane. Through directly it is going to enter to their body only. So like if they mean if an organism is there like this one, any organism, maybe hydra and all. So whenever they are in the water, okay, whatever they want the oxygen, whatever they want the nutrients, food and all, directly it can pass through their cell membrane. Okay, then after getting getting digested, the waste things are being directly put out. Whether it may be waste things, may be carbon dioxide or excreta, anything. Excreta or carbon dioxide directly is being diffused out. Diffused means it is being directly thrown out to the water in which they are living. If they want again oxygen and food, directly it is being like absorbed from the water only. So this is like how our heart works. Try to read the textbook properly. The remaining parts I am going to continue there very soon. Okay. So for that clarification, whatever I have spoke, okay, children, this is like video. Everything you can't get the things whatever I am speaking. Okay, rightly speak. After seeing this video, just go through the textbook, read once, twice. It will be clear. If you have another like anything like doubts, do call me and you can clear your doubts. Okay. Hope you read the textbooks properly. Thank you.